How to move audio in CapCut. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this tutorial video, I'll show you guys how you can move audio in CapCut. So, let's get right into the video. Firstly, open your CapCut application. Now, click on New Project and create a new project. For example, I will use this video. Now, once you are on this page, click on the audio option and again click on sounds. Now, you can use the audio in your device, or you can also use the ALS that are recommended by CapCut. For example, I'm using this CapCut recommended sound. Now, once the audio is added to your clip, in order to move the audio, it is a simple process. Just drag this audio to the left or right as you wish. You can also see the specific part of the music if you want. Just go to this specific part of the audio and tap on it, then click on Split. Now, select that specific part and click on Delete. Now, you can easily move audio from left to right at your wish. So, there you have it. In this way, you can move audio in CapCut. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.